So hey everyone, today we'll be solving daily LeetCode problem, which is find the longest substring containing vowels in even count. So we have given a string as return the size of the longest substring containing each vowels an even number of times, that as E, A, E, I, O, U must appear an even number of times. So we have a little mini code. So as you can see in this string, we have the longest substring is litmin cover, which contains two each of the vowel A, E, I, O, U, and zero of the vowel. So it's the question says like we have to find the longest substring which contains even number of vowel, or like we have to return the length of that even number of vowels. We have to return the length of the longest even number of vowels. Okay, so this way we are going to solve this question. So like we have to find the even the vowels where evens are present. So and we have to check the length also. So whenever we will get the maximum length, we will be returning that string. So we have lit code design weight. So as you can see, the longest substring is lit C. After that we have O, then we have E, then we have I, and then we have E. So as you can see in mid we have I, which is just single time, and we have O, which is single time. So we are not including this part, we are just including this part. Let's see, here we have E, which is two times. So the longest substring is let's see. So this way we are gonna return the 5. So this way we are gonna let's see one more example. Let's suppose we have EAT, something like that, and we have like OOPQ. So as you can see, EA, these are vowels. Okay, so this is coming one time, this is coming one time. Now this is, we have consonant, we have vowel, and consonant. So as you can see, these two are vowels. So if I talk about the longest substring which contain even number of vowels, so this is that string which contain the even number of vowels. We can't include this because the occurrence of E is 1 and A is 1. So we have to use map to store the number of occurrence, or we can use mask, which will track the odd even occurrence of vowel using bit manipulations. So let's look at the solution. How we're gonna do this? So we have to clear the size of the input string. So here maxi, which is variable to store the maximum length of the substring. Now here we have mask. Mask will track the odd even occurrence of vowel using bit manipulations. Okay, let's see how it's gonna do this. Basically, we have five number of like A, E, I, O, U. We have five number of bits. I mean, we need five number of bits. Why we need five number of bits? Because then if we XOR A, we'll be getting 0. It means that this we can include it because the occurrence of A is like even. And if we have just A and we have just XOR of E, we'll be getting A XOR E, which contain the occurrence of A1 and E1. So this way we are gonna solve this question. So we have declared an ordered map, which is which of this FO represent first occurrence. So map to store the first index where each mask occur. So like we have initialized the mask with mask 0 with index -1 as in petty prefix case. Okay. So now we are traversing through all the through the strings characters. Now here we are updating the mask based on the current character. Okay, if it is A, then we are just toggling the bit of A, first bit, and this is the second bit, then we have third bit, then we have like fourth, then we have like total number of bit is 5 because we have 5 number of vowels. So now here comes the main part, which is like if the mask has been seen like before, calculate the length of the substring. Here we will be calculating it now, and then if we're done calculating, we will be like updating the maxi value, where maxi is just the maximum length where the number of vowels are even. So if we don't find this, then in we have else condition, we are just storing the current index of this mask first occurrence. Okay, so every time A, E, I, O, U come first time, so rather than this will run first, and then if it comes second time, then it will goes here and it will be updating the maximum length. So this way we are going to solve it, and at the end we will be return the maximum length. So this is the solution of this program.